Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-TS7 digital camera, waterproof camera, and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If you have any issues where this camera's not working right, this factory reset can fix a lot of those issues and just get it, debug it sort of. The second reason you might want to do this is there's a ton of settings on here and you can try to change them all back manually. But if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start, get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's super simple to do. It's just a couple of button pushes. All we need to do is come in here and press this menu set button here. And then from the menu set button, we're just going to come over here and we're going to select the setup wrench icon submenu from the screen, setup wrench icon, and then straight from the setup wrench icon we can just go ahead and select the reset option, and from there we'll be able to reset everything, and then we can go ahead and set it up as a new device. So just one more time, it's menu, setup wrench icon, and then reset.